Mastering AI prompts boosts creativity, learning, and productivity. Welcome. Imagine talking to a super smart robot that understands you. Why AI prompt engineering matters? Helps AI give better answers. Fun fact: AI can write stories, solve problems, and even design games with the right prompt. Well, what is prompt engineering? Prompt engineering, telling AI exactly what you want, like giving the robot a recipe to follow. Even small wording changes can give very different results. Example, write a funny story about a cat versus write a scary story about a cat. You can change one word in a prompt and predict the outcome. Why it is important? Better prompts, better results, less time wasted. Can improve learning, creativity, and business efficiency. Makes AI your personal assistant, a creative partner. Thank you. Once again, thank you for Prompt Engineering Beginner course.